Now that the walls for our raised garden bed are attached and secure, we'll go ahead and add the brackets for our trellis. Since you want to avoid your trellis shading out the rest of your plants during the growing season, keep in mind the movement of the sun. Generally, the north side of the bed is the best place for your trellis. The trellis brackets simply slide over the ends of the 2x6s spaced on a 40-inch center. Now I'll secure the watering timer bracket on the top board about 2.5 inches above the board on the side of the bed where the watering hose is coming in. For convenience, each corner of the trellis netting has been marked with white tape. This side will be the side that threads through the top support bar of the trellis. Beginning at the top corner, thread the bar in and out, alternating squares of the top net. Now insert the screw through the top post and into the white backing, connecting the threads. And tighten with your Phillips head screwdriver. We'll do this on both sides of the top rail. To complete the sides of our trellis frame, we'll take the silver insert piece and sleeve it through the straight side piece of the frame and secure it into place with our screw. Next, we'll attach the curved bottom piece by sleeving it over the silver fitting and attaching with a screw. I'll repeat this process for the other side. Now, taking the side piece with the curved area remaining at the bottom, thread the straight piece up through the netting, alternating holes like you did with the top bar. The side bar will connect to the top bar by sliding over the white plastic fitting. Gently tap the top bar into place, securing together the top and side pieces. Now that the trellis is fully assembled, it's time to mount it onto the base of our raised garden bed, fitting it into the trellis brackets. It's important to orient the curve of the frame in this fashion so that the trellis actually sits in towards the bed, away from the edge. Now we'll finish up our trellis by inserting our protective end caps into each end of the trellis. Secure the bottom and top corners of the trellis netting using the supplied zip ties.